Hey everybody, this is Jimmy Bicker. It is race day for FFR. We are headed to Whynot in Meridian. We have never been there. I'm not sure if anyone from FFR has. We're going to be running what they call the Enduro Hot Shots. I think it's about 10 laps from what I've researched. I'm here with Marcy and Wyatt.
Hey guys.
Wyatt, how are you feeling about tonight?
Well, I'm not really sure. The car, as far as I know, I mean, it's ready to go. We're gonna be meeting my grandpa at the track with my car, but it ran great at Hattiesburg last week, and it ran pretty good at Jackson. So I've never been to this track, just like my dad said, and so I'm not really sure what to expect, but hopefully we can get the race in. There is a lot of rain around here, but if it's a muddy track, I may do a little bit better since I have the really big tires on. But yeah, we'll see what the track conditions are like, and just get a general look at the track when we get there.
Okay, Wyatt, thank you. As Wyatt said, we ran Hattiesburg last week, ended up with the win. We ran Jackson on Saturday night, and we were rained out there. They're going to finish that off on August 12th, so we'll be there for that. We'll get to the track, get unloaded, and get signed in. Talk to you in a bit.
Yeah, the track is obviously extremely wet. It felt a lot like Outlaw did last year. I don't remember when, but they got a bunch of rain and we still raced, and it basically felt the same. Just it felt a little bit smoother. It was a very smooth track, but I mean, I had trouble getting it into second gear, but once I did, I mean, I took off. My fastest lap was my third lap. I think I got fourth.
Yeah, you got fourth in qualifying.
Yeah, I mean, I was just learning how to drive it each lap, so each lap I think was faster than the last one.
And you haven't driven on this track before. You actually, since they had hot laps and qualifying combined, that wasn't even like you hadn't practiced yet. So that was practice and trying to go as fast as you could.
Yeah.
Right? How did you balance the two?
I mean, honestly, just the first lap, I just went for it. I mean, obviously, well, on the first lap, I didn't really push. I couldn't feel my car pushing up the track very much. So the next lap I just went in harder and got on the gas sooner. And I mean, I was just I tried getting a higher entry in and coming out low, and that well, I'm pretty sure it helped me because it made my lap times better. So yeah, I was just trying to learn the track as quick as I could.
Yeah, it could be. You could say quack, it's so wet out there, huh?
Yes,
so we have to get you ready pretty soon for the race because Enduro is first up after the national anthem.
Yeah, we don't have any heat races here.
Okay, do you have to change anything with your car or anything?
I think I'm just gonna leave it like it is, and hopefully get a little bit faster as I get more used to the track in the future, and give some of these guys a run for their money. We'll see how it goes.
All right,
with that.
Good luck. We'll see you after the race.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey guys, this is Jimmy. We are headed back to Philadelphia, Mississippi, about an hour from Whynot. That's where we'll be spending the night, at my mom's house. We drove there a few days ago, spent some time with a lot of my extended family, and then went to Whynot tonight. First time ever. We came in 5th. Wyatt was battling for 4th most of the race. Got past in the last turn. After he had passed the guy in front of him, they were battling pretty hard the whole race. And as soon as we got done, they ran a few more, I think one more race, and then it started raining again. So we just got in under the gun. Wyatt, tell us how it was.
Well, it was still really wet out there. I mean, I was definitely faster, I believe. I was definitely hitting the rev limiter a lot more than I was in the hot lap qualifying. So that's where I was really losing to everyone, was when I was hitting the rev limiter. The guy in front of me, or the white car I was battling with, I probably could have gotten by him on the last lap, on the last turn, but I just didn't quite make my move right, and he got back past me right before the start-finish line. So, I mean, I had fun. It was a great learning experience, even if it was extremely wet. But of course, I'm still extremely wet. We both got rained on, but yeah, I mean, I had a great time.
Okay. I'm not sure how Philip did up there tonight. We wish him well. We hope that Flem and the mailman have a safe trip. They were up in Tennessee. We really appreciate Grandpa bringing the car from his house in Jackson. So we're going to sign off now. But we hope that you like, comment, and subscribe.
Or else.